One of my favorite ways to create video content for a flipped learning model is by using a screencasting tool, such as Screencast-O-Matic or Screencastify. You'll see on the screen my favorite screencasting tool, Screencast-O-Matic. I like this one the most because it offers a free option with unlimited video length. Screencastify is what I originally started using. However, the timer caps you at 5 minutes, which could be great for mini lessons and younger learners. However, you can't go any minute past that 5 minute mark. So if you want to create a little bit of a longer presentation, you'll want to choose to use Screencast-O-Matic instead. This is what the Screencast-O-Matic website looks like. To use Screencast-O-Matic, you just want to get to this site, and then you want to click here in this bottom left corner that says Launch Free Recorder, and it's going to open up an app on your computer screen. You'll actually see down here in the left-hand screen this blue pause button and timer. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic to create this presentation for you, so you could get an idea of what it looks like when you use it. Once you go ahead and click that Launch Free Recorder option, this screen over here will pop up. This box here, this gray and black area that says Record, this screen will pop up and it'll get you started. So you can choose between just recording your screen, as I am now. You can choose to just record your webcam, so it'll be your image, your face on the screen, or you can do both. So in the bottom corner, you could have your face so your students could see you as you're presenting and explaining whatever type of information you wanted to share with them on the screen. You'll see that the max time is set at none. So you could create a video presentation for your students that lasts up to 30 minutes. However, you want to avoid that length of video when you're using the flipped classroom model. You want to try to make your video segments brief so that your students don't lose interest and that they can stay focused on the assignment. So once you have your screen recorder up, you would click this red button here, this REC, this record button. It would count down for you, 3, 2, 1, and then you can go ahead and start presenting and speaking and sharing whatever information you would like with your students. So one option that I think is a great idea is to use this to go through a PowerPoint presentation. So if I were to create a screencast of the professional development PowerPoint presentation we went through today, I could just have this up on the background of my screen and be recording it while I voice over whatever I would like my learners to learn. You could also use a whiteboarding app, which I do with my math students. So I would record the screen as I'm writing so my students could see me teaching them the skills that I want them to learn while hearing my voice talk them through the steps that I want them to learn in my own style of teaching. You can upgrade your recorder for a paid amount. This service allows you to edit your video, so you can crop it, you can delete parts of your video, you can just do a whole bunch of edits that might be beneficial for you. But I like to stick to the free version. I think it's a really great resource. It's a really great tool. It's super easy to use and definitely a great resource when you're getting started using the flipped learning model. I hope you find this video helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.